and make sure that you spend more time with your family. Huh? Wanna gas? Hi. Hello. I actually just want to insert this clip real quick while I do my editing. This week is actually a challenging or a depressing week for me because I just lost one of my fur baby, Spotty. We adopted her last January, so she was still a pup, just 4 months old, and she got parvo. It's really sad. Yeah, I can hardly do my household chores or anything because every time I go outside or in the kitchen, I would think of her. Like every corner of the house would remind me of her. So yeah, she passed away last Sunday, and I still missed her, but I am still grateful that I get the chance to take care of her, and we still have Smokey with us, so we have to take care of him and make sure that he is healthy and happy. But there are lots of things that I've learned after Spotty's passing. One thing is to really not take things for granted and make time, or spend lots of time with your loved ones, be it a friend, your family, your spouse, your partner, even your pets, because we really don't know when will be our last time that we can be with them. Di ko naisip na we will lost her that early because she was really an active puppy. Even if may mga sugat siya before, it didn't affect her. She was so energetic, full of life, and it suddenly happened. So yun, never take things for granted, and make sure that you spend more time with your family, with your loved ones, and tell them that they are important to you and you love them. and that you cared for them. Yan lang.
Nikki.